integrations by partial fractions. So first of all, before going to learn the partial fractions, you need to know that what is meant by a rational function. Functions in the functions which are called rational functions. Do you know? Anyone of you? What is meant by rational function? The function which is in the form of the p by q. P of x by q of x, if you are taking, this type of the function is called as a rational function. And in this rational function, proper rational functions will be there, improper rational functions will be there. That is nothing but if the degree of this polynomial is lesser than the degree of this polynomial, it is called proper rational function. So if the its degree, suppose if you are taking x minus 1 by x square plus 1, like this if you are having, and this type of the function, see, degree of this one is 1, degree of this one is 2. So it is lesser than this one. Normally proper fraction is nothing but, you know that. Proper fraction is nothing but numerator is smaller than the denominator is called as a proper fraction. So like that, this is called as proper rational function. This is called as proper rational function. And these type of the functions, you can split this one. There will be partial fractions will be there. Using the partial fractions, different form of the rational functions will be there. So that rational functions we will split into the sum of the functions. Product form में है, इसको sum form में split करते हैं using the partial fractions. If numerator is greater than the denominator, if numerator degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, it is called as a improper fraction. Greater than or equal if you are having, it is called as a improper fraction. And that improper fraction, proper fraction में convert कर सकते हैं. Just like a numbers only. Suppose if you are taking 17 by 5. 17 by 5 can be written as 5 3 is 15. 3. 2 by 5. Or you can write 3 plus 2 by 5. Like that only, if the numerator is greater than the numerator degree is greater than the denominator, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Then after you are going to get a function which is in the form of, this is a linear function, linear or a quadratic, whatever it may be, a function you are going to get, a polynomial function. That is a polynomial function you are going to get, and this is proper function, sum of the polynomial function and a proper function. And इसको differentiate कर integrate कर सकते हैं. And how do we integrate these proper rational functions? Using the different methods, that is the different forms of the functions. Partial fractions, we call them as a partial fractions. So partial fractions will be different form में क्या-क्या होता है, इसको कैसे split करते हैं. Different form will be there, 5 different forms will be there. So form of the rational function, form of the partial fraction. Okay, so form of rational function. Rational function कैसे होता है, and उसको split करते हैं, the form of partial fraction. So the first one is, if you are taking into consider, it will be in the form of numerator a linear, denominator is a quadratic. So general form we will take into consider px plus q by x minus a into x minus b. See, ऊपर linear, denominator a quadratic, and here a and b are not equals. Then this is can be split कर सकते हैं a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. In this form you have to write. After writing this, capital A and capital B values क्या है, find out करना पड़ता है, because you will write this one, you have to cross multiply a into x minus b. That problems, while solving the problems you will come to know that. And we have to split this one. Denominator में two product of two linear if you are having, 2 or 3 if you are having also, 3 linear factors also if you are having. A and B are constants. Second form, if you are taking into consider px plus q divided by x minus a whole square if you are having, then this can be split into the form of, मैं लाइट्स ड्रा करता हूं, कंफ्यूज ना हो. Okay, so this one, if you are taking this one, how do we split this one? A by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. Like this, we have to split. That is partial fraction. The third form is numerator is going to have the quadratic and denominator is px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c if you are having. This can be split into the form of a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Sorry, yes, c by capital C. That is nothing but what you can observe from this and this. If you are having a numerator cubic, denominator is biquadratic. 4 terms are there. 4 linear products. 4 linear products if you are having, you have to split a by x minus a, b by x minus b, c by x minus d plus d by x minus d. If you are having like that. So this is the one. The another form is like this one. But you are along with this one more linear if you are having. So that is nothing but px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a whole square you can take, or x minus a into x minus b whole square also. X minus a whole square, x minus b. In this case, what you have to do? Either square is there, na? So like this you have to split. Here to separate it. So there is nothing but you can split x by a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus b now. X minus b also you can write x minus a whole square, just like this. Square whenever you have. And another term is here, that is x minus b. Suppose here, if you are having here square, instead of here square is there. So x minus a will be there. Here x minus b whole square, x minus b. Or x minus b here, x minus b whole square here. If you take here also square, doesn't matter. Constant, some constant will be there. So splitting into what form? Here square if it is there, here square if it is not there, x minus a, here x minus a whole square aa jayega, here x minus b ho jayega. This is generally will be taken into consideration. And the last form of the partial fraction is a denominator is having a quadratic polynomial which is cannot be split into other factors. X minus a into, it cannot be split into other factor. One more x square plus bx plus c. This cannot be factorized. If this cannot be factorized, then in that situation, a by x minus a plus bx plus c by this as it is here, x square plus bx plus c. So these are the different 5 forms will be there. While solving the problems, little bit easy to you to understand. But you try to remember that if you are having a linear denominator by product of 2 linear having, so separately. Square if you are having anything. Cube if you are having here. Here if you are having cube. What to do? X minus a whole square plus c by x minus a whole cube also will be there. Same way, here x minus a whole cube if you are having x minus a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus a whole cube. So, and after that you need to make it equals to this one, and a and b values we have to find out. A and b values we have to find out. Samajh mein aaya? So now while solving the problems easily you can understand. Otherwise there will be a little bit difficult to you to understand these models. ये models are दिमाग में रख दीजिए. Then with the help of this we are going to solve the problems. Those in this difficult problems and different problems I am going to select and explain. Okay. So let us go for the third problem in the exercise 7.5. Okay. Partial fractions, इसको partial fractions बोलते हैं. Partial fractions का form में whatever it is there that you need to split. Okay. Third problem, exercise 7.5. Third problem. So the lengthy problem I am taking into consider. The numerator is given to you 3x minus 1 divided by integrate करना है इसको. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This we need to integrate. Okay, so now first what you have to, let us split this one into the sum. ये product में से sum form में convert करना है using partial fractions. So how do we convert into that? First, as per the denominator, you are having 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This can be written as a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Now इसको simplify करो. So what you get at a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So denominators here both are same. So from this what you can say? You can say that 3x minus 1 is equals to a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now here ABC values to find out, substitute the values. Even you can, if you want, you can take the multiplier कर सकते हैं. ये दोनों multiply करके, ये multiply करके ABC coefficients, x square coefficient, x coefficient and constant क्या है वो compare कर सकते हैं. But वो lengthy method हो जाएगा. So the easy method is that if you want a value, ये B C में common क्या है? Common term x minus 1 है. तो x minus 1 बोले तो इसको 0 करना है. 1 substitute कर लो x equal to. Substitute x is equals to 1. तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये मिल जाएगा. This is an identity actually. This is true for all the values of x. So x can be substituted anyone. Here this is actually, it is an identity you can call, because which is true for all the values of x. So substitute कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी substitute कर सकते हैं. So x is equals to 1. By 1 only I am substituting to make this to 0. A value हमको आना है, तो वो इधर भी substitute करना है. 3 into 1 minus 1 is equals to a into 1 minus 2 1 minus 3 plus b into 0 plus c into 0. बस हो गया. Now what you can write here? This implies 3 minus 1 is equals to a into, this is minus 1, this is minus 2 plus 0 plus 0. So this is 2a is equals to 2. So a is equals to 1. Like this, substitute x is equals to 2. 2 substitute करो. 2 इधर है, ये दोनों 0 हो जाएगा, b वैल्यू आ जाएगा. So that is nothing but 3 into 2 minus 1 is equals to, इसमें भी substitute करना है पूरा इक्वेशन. So a into 0, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, plus b into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 3 plus c into 0 हो जाएगा. Like this ABC value substitute करना है. So it's looking like lengthy, but the problem is easy. Now what do you, 3 to the 6 minus 1 is equals to 5, and here you are going to get 2 minus 1 1 minus 1, so minus b आ जाएगा. So this implies b is equals to minus 5. b is equals to minus 5. And c value you substitute. C value चाहिए तो substitute x is equals to 3. 3 substitute करो. ये दोनों 0 हो जाएगा. So here 3 substitute करो. 3 3 is 9 minus 1 8 is equals to c into, ये दोनों तो 0 हो जाएगा. c values here 3 substitute करना है. 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 2 1, c is equals to 4. c is equals to 4. Substituting x equal to 1, ये दोनों 0, a value. Substituting x equal to 2, दोनों. So what are the factors we are having common that you have to substitute? So therefore, from this you can write this one into the a again like this you can write. So now you can write 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 can be written as a. A is equals to what here? 1 by x minus 1 plus b क्या है? minus 5 minus 5 by x minus 2. c क्या है? 4 plus 4 by x minus 3. See, product से sum में लेके है. This is called partial fractions. So now if you want to integrate this one, ये इसका integration dx लेना है. इसका integration dx हो जाएगा. इधर integration dx, here integration dx. So which is equals to, what is the integration of this one? Logarithm of mod x minus 1 plus minus 5 into logarithm of mod x minus 2 plus 4 into logarithm of mod x minus 3 plus c. और इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई इट, यू कैन राइट लॉगरिथम ऑफ मॉड्यूलस ऑफ x minus 1 minus 5 into logarithm of x minus 2 plus 4 into logarithm of x minus 3. ये 4 ऊपर लेके जा सकता है x minus 4 whole square, ये 5 भी इधर लेके जा सकता है x minus 5 whole to the power of 5 plus c, ये logarithms प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हैं, so you can write this as a single logarithm of in the modulus x minus 1 x minus 3 whole to the power of 4 divided by denominator x minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Is it visible to you? The board is visible to you? Complete board is visible to you? You can leave.
Yes, sir.
You can leave the answer here itself. What I did here, logarithms you need to know. Otherwise, you cannot. See here, m log a is equals to log a to the power of m. ये यूज कर लिया. Logarithm of a plus logarithm of b is equals to log a into b. माइनस होता है तो इधर माइनस होता है तो log a by b. So these I have used. समझ में आया? Main problem is here what we are splitting the given function into the partial fractions. This is one model of the problem. Okay? समझ में आया? Anurag, can you hear me? Is it audible or not? I'm going to select the different problems only, and that problems only I'm going to explain to you. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? Suchismita?
हाँ sir.
Yes. Whether it is audible or not, I am getting doubt here. So let us move to the next model of the problem. Is sixth problem you are taking something different है ये model. Okay? You need to know the division of the problems also. Different problems, different models, I am going to select and explain. Okay? The remaining all the models will be same. Splitting the function into the partial fractions. Using the partial fractions, how to split. Partial fractions apply करना. Okay? बोर्ड किधर से इधर से दिख रहा है? From here. If I write here, is it visible to you? Because the problems are little bit lengthy, from here I will start writing. So the given question is 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. And if you see this is a function which is given to you. Improper function, improper rational function. It's an improper rational function. So improper rational function is nothing but numerator degree is 2, denominator degree is 2, equal degree. If greater than or equal to if you are having, it is called improper. So in this situation, what to do? हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Divide करना है. Division perform और rough में perform कर लो. How do we perform the division? Numerator को denominator से divide करना है. So what is the denominator here? It is given 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x. So if you take here numerator minus common ले लो, x square थोड़ा confusion avoid हो जाएगा. x square minus 1. इधर भी minus common ले लिया तो 1 minus 2x का 2x minus 1 हो जाएगा. So 2x square minus x. So here 2x square minus x plus constant is 0. Here x term is not there, तो 0 लिखना है. So इधर 2 है, ये इस term से divide division of the polynomials. So 1 by 2 हो जाएगा. Because you have to divide the here first term by the here first term. So what do you get here? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be here. And this 1 by 2 should be multiplied here. So when you multiply like that, so what do you get here? 2x square minus x by 2. ये constant 0 से multiply कर 0 हो जाएगा. So ये दोनों minus, ये plus minus. So what do you get here? X by 2 minus 1. So now you can write this one. You can write this one as this divided by this one. Okay? So how do we write that one? So this we can write it as 1 by 2 plus this one quotient plus remainder divided by this one. Normally fractions हम लोग 7 by 5 कर देंगे. 7 को 5 से डिवाइड 5 3s are sorry 5 1s are 5 2. You can write 1 2 by 5 लिख सकते हैं ना. 1 plus 2 by 5. 1 plus 2 by 5. In the same way this one here plus x by 2 minus 1 by this. What is that? A 2x square minus x. So as it is given to you in that way you can write. कैसे दे दिया वैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Or you can write it like this. अरे इसको simplify करना है तो you can simplify 1 by 2 x minus 2. x minus 2 numerator में है by 2. So 1 by 2 here by इसको x into 2x minus 1. समझ में आया ये? Now here this is proper fraction. इसको split करना है. इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो कर सकते हैं. ये पार्ट लेना है. ये पार्ट को partial fractions अप्लाई करना है. x minus 2 by x into 2x minus 1 can be written as a by x. ये तो x minus 0 मान लो. You can consider x minus 0 plus b by 2x minus 1. So this completely you can take into rough column में ले सकते हैं. आप चाहे तो कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं सर इधर क्वेश्चन में तो 1 minus 2x दे दिया इधर 1 minus 2x नहीं है. So if you want you can write here चाहे तो 2 minus x लिख सकते हैं इधर भी 1 minus 2x दोनों में से माइनस कॉमन ले लिया. So अब इधर क्या होगा 2 minus x होगा इधर 1 minus 2x होगा. If you want you can do like this or like that also. In this situation 1 minus 2x हो जाएगा. Both are same only. बट ये भी कोएफिशिएंट डिफरेंट आ जाएगा. एक स्टूडेंट ने ऐसा कर दिया दूसरा स्टूडेंट ने इसको इधर ही कॉमन ले लिया माइनस कैंसिल कर दिया. सो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद दैट? बट इन दैट सिचुएशन ये भी डिफरेंट आ जाएगा कोएफिशिएंट. बट फाइनल आंसर यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम. सो यू कैन डू इन एनी वे. सो नाउ हियर व्हाट यू कैन राइट 2 minus x by x into 1. Okay, let us do it like this only. A into 1 minus 2x plus b into x by x into 1 minus 2x. So from this you can write 2 minus x is equals to a into 1 minus 2x plus bx. So now if you want a value, b का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? x equal to 0 ले लो. Substitute x is equals to 0. तो ये 0 करना है हमको. So I am taking x equal to 0. So 2 minus 0 is equals to a into 1 minus 0 plus b into 0. So we are going to get a is equals to 2. Substitute x is equals to b value चाहिए. So ये 0 चाहिए. ये 0 करना. So x का प्लेस में 1 by 2 substitute करना. इधर 1 by 2 substitute कर लो. ये complete 0 हो जाएगा. So which is equals to 2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to a into 0 plus b into 1 by 2. Is it visible to you? So here I write. Okay, done. So 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 में हम 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is equals to ये 0 हो गया b by 2. So b is equals to 3. So therefore ये given function है integration of 1 minus x square by x into 1 minus 2x dx can be written as integration of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 in the brackets. इसको partial fraction कर लिया तो ये आ जाएगा. So a by x, a is equals to क्या 2. So 2 by x plus b by 1 minus 2x, b is equals to 3. 3 by 1 minus 2x dx. इसको split कर लो 1 by 2 dx. ये दोनों multiply कर दिया तो integration of 1 by x dx plus 3 by 2 आ जाएगा. 3 by 2 of integration of 1 by minus 2x dx. The given integration. So whenever numerator degree is less than the more than that denominator, you have to divide it. Divide करना है. थोड़ा ये problem different है. So that's why I am explaining to you this one. So final answer what do you get here? I am finding the integration of this one. You are going to get it as a 1 by 2. What is a 1 by 2 x dx? differential integration x 1 by 2 of x plus what is the integration of 1 by x dx? Log of mod x plus 3 by 2 into logarithm of 1 minus 2x divided by minus 2 because इधर x का कोएफिशिएंट क्या है -2 है so वो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन डिनोमिनेटर में आता है plus c so if you want you can write it as x by 2 plus logarithm of mod x minus 3 by 4 logarithm of 1 minus 2x plus c so this is the integration of the given function integration of the given function this is one different model okay समझ में आया सुचिस्मिता
Yes, sir.
ओके थोड़ा सा फास्ट मैंने गया होगा अब इफ यू हैव ए डाउट एनीवेयर एल्स देन यू कैन आस्क अनुराग ओके सी हियर वंस अगेन ये डिवाइड करना है हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई सर डिग्री हियर 2 है इधर डिग्री भी 2 है सो व्हेन द डिग्री इज सेम और मोर numerator degree is more than the denominator degree you have to divide it division of the polynomials you have learned in 9th class only so using that division of the polynomial concept you can divide it okay after finding the division you are going to get a constant or a polynomial function plus a proper rational function here proper rational function ये proper rational function को split करना using the partial fraction see here problems are not different model will be there but all the problems looks like a very lengthy problems but not but they are all easy problems problem length more okay so next let us move to the next model seventh problem देखो seventh model is different but इससे hard problem क्या है देखते हैं थोड़ा सा seventh में x square plus 1 cannot be factorized so yes seventh problem only let us do it this is different model so the question is given to you x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 sorry x minus 1 see here this cannot be factorized further ये again factorize नहीं कर सकते so in that situation what you can write this can be written as yes इसका ऊपर लीनियर लेना है ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus c by x minus 1 okay so now here what to do x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 is equals to ax plus b into x minus 1 plus c into x square plus 1. Here in this situation, better you find out substitution method में करना है तो c value find out करने के लिए substitution method use कर सकते हैं. But a and b value substitute करने के लिए इसको 0 करना है तो x square को -1 substitute करना है. So this is not possible. So comparing coefficients, this little bit different model. Denominator में क्या आ जाएगा x square plus 1 x minus 1 till now we have learned using substitution finding the constants here comparing the coefficients करना पड़ता है so what you ये denominator दोनों same में cancel हो जाएगा x is equals to ये इससे multiply करो ये x square plus bx minus ax minus b plus cx square plus c ax into x ax square b into x bx ax into minus 1 minus ax b into c into x square c into 1 now all the x square किधर है वो दोनों एक साथ में लेके आओ a plus c into x square x किधर है वो एक साथ में लिखो ये दोनों x so b minus a into x constants क्या है इधर c minus b so if you compare here x से compare करें इधर x square नहीं है तो 0 तो a plus c should be is equals to 0 so this implies a is equals to minus c ये क्या है 1 है so a plus b is equals to 1 ये साइड में रखो c minus b is equals to 0 so this implies b is equals to c B is equals to C. So here A value C में है, B value भी C में है. So what did you get here? So A plus B gone. A plus B gone. So B minus A. So B minus A is equals to 1 expression. So now you take this one into first expression. C minus B is equals to 0 implies B is equals to C. ये कांस्टेंट है, कांस्टेंट x स्क्वायर इधर नहीं है. So now B minus A is equals to 1. So B is equal to C. A is equals to minus C. Minus of minus C is equals to 1. This is equals to 2. C is equals to 1. C is equals to 1 by 2. So A value C is equals to 1 by 2. B and C same है. So B is also equal to 1 by 2. And A equal to minus C. A is equals to minus 1 by 2. So now here that values you have to substitute here. ABC values to substitute आ गया ना? हाँ? So after getting these ABC values, you have to substitute this. So x by x square plus 1 into x minus 1 is equals to ax plus b. A is equals to 1 by 2. A is equals to minus 1 by 2. B is equals to plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 1 plus c value क्या है 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by उधर क्या है x minus 1. Okay, ये समझ में आया ना? Now you have to split this one individually split करना है. So how do you split this one? Minus 1 by 2 integration of x by x square plus 1 dx. If you want here integration dx, here completely this one integration dx. ये क्या कर दिया? Minus 1 by 2 x by. Next plus 1 by 2 of integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 of 1 by x minus 1 dx. Now here ये 2x है, इधर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड डिवाइड करो. इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये ऊपर डिफरेंशिएशन ऊपर होना. So minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 multiply कर रहा हूँ इधर 2x by x square plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square क्या है? Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x है ना? 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1 by 2 1 by x minus 1 is equals to logarithm of x minus 1. Logarithm of x minus 1 plus c. इधर है इसका इंटीग्रेशन ये. So ये भी क्या होगा? minus 1 by 4 logarithm of x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1 by 2 logarithm of x minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. समझ में आया? Here which cannot be split into the further fractions.
Yes,
further you are not able to split it, then you have to. What?
Sir, I said yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is a different model, and if you come to the 8th problem, x minus 1 whole square is given to you denominator. So x minus 1 whole square is nothing but x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2. So all the models in this 9th problem, देखो 9th problem में what is given to you here? Denominator is given not in the form of the factors. You have to factorize. X cube minus x square minus x plus 1 should be factorized. Factorize करना है. Factorize करने के बाद any one of the factorized form you are going to x minus a, x minus b, x minus c form में आ जाएगा. Then after you have to solve it. So that also you can do it. And 10th problem is x square minus 1, that can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So then you are going to have the linear factors, not like this problem. Most of the students will feel that 10th problem is also like this. So not like this. That is completely different. Okay. So even 11th problem also, x square minus 4 is given to you in the denominator. So that can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 2. So 3 linear factors in the denominator you are going to get. That is. And 12th problem is numerator degree is greater than the denominator degree. So 6th problem की जैसा वो भी कर सकते हैं. And 13th problem is similar to this one. same model. All the like this only one problem. If you see that all the problems you can solve it, it's not very difficult. Problems are all same models are there, not difficult problems, and you try the problems. And let us move to the problem number 17, that you may feel little bit 17th and 18th problems little bit different. So that problems let us discuss. Till the 16th all you can do it. And 17th problem, if you see that, that is also not different problem here. Just you have to replace. If you see that denominator में, numerator में, sorry, denominator you are having sin x and numerator में cos x is there. Sin x equal to some t मान लो, you consider. So automatically it is going to get into the partial fractions only. So that also you can do it. The 18th problem दिखने में बहुत लंबा दिखता है, but the problem is not very lengthy. So I will explain to you the 18th problem. The remaining all are similar models only. You can do it mostly. Okay, can you do it? Just substitute करना ही बाकी है. So only 18th problem looks like a different problem, but not different. ये थोड़ा बड़ा दिखता है. So that is not that much big. All are similar models only. Do remember that different models क्या है. Okay. सेवेंटीथ प्रॉब्लम में sin x is equals to t consider करो. You are going to get the another form of the, in the form of the t you are going to get. Okay. 18th one you can see that the numerator is given to you x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. X square plus 1, x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 3, x square plus 4. इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है. You need to do the integration of this one. So how do you do the integration of this one? Problem lengthy है, length ज़्यादा होता है. There is no other way to us to do it. What can we do? You have to multiply this one because degree is same here, both the degree, and divide it. Divide करने के बाद what the problem you are going to get. The division only, idea only you are not going to get. Then after remaining all the things are similar. See here, rough में करता हूँ. ये दोनों को multiply कर दिया तो x to the power of 4 plus 2x square 1x square 3x square आ जाएगा plus 2. Denominator में भी x to the power of 4 plus 7x square 4x square 3x square plus 12. तो इधर 1 हो जाएगा because same degree है ना. x power 4 plus 7x square plus 12 minus 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 ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 7 minus 3 minus 4x square minus 10. So we are going to get, you can write this as a 1 plus minus 4x square minus 10 by denominator this one. This is equals to this one only. So x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. 1 minus common level 4x square plus 10 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. Now this is partial fraction of item. ये तो आ जाएगा. So 4x square plus 10 divided by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. So these two cannot be furtherly factorized into two other factors. So what you can write here, this can be written as ax plus b by this one x square plus 3 plus cx plus d by x square plus 4. Now 4x square plus 10 ये तो लेफ्ट हैंड से सेम आ जाएगा. तो न्यूमरेटर में हियर क्या आ जाएगा, ax plus b into x square plus 4 plus cx plus d into x square plus 3. डिनोमिनेटर में सेम यही आ जाएगा. So this will be equals to 4x square plus 10. Now similar, multiply करो, coefficients compare करो, a b c d values find out करो, and that values substitute here. That is only the difference in this problem. इसको multiply करना है and a b c x power 4 x cube
Sir, your voice is breaking. And the screen is also blurred, sir.
Can you? Okay, model is same only. You try the problems here. It's not very difficult to you. I think you understood here what. Final. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So final में क्या आ जाएगा आपको? ये लास्ट में something by x square plus 3 आ जाएगा. ax plus b by
Sir, now
ax
it's
plus b.
breaking again.
What is again breaking? So you find out the values of a and b values. So mostly I think so. You try the values. After finding the values, then you can proceed and you can find out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So complete all the problems, similar model problems only, not different. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you. You can.
Thank you, sir.